Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here. This is an offline video, but I'm here to one of this park. It's really cool and huge. We just started. Gonna show you how this all looks like, and this is first time here. And I will put the name of the park on the title of this video later, so then if you guys like, you can come and enjoy just like this. Really pretty, plenty of parking. You don't have to look for parking. It's always available. That's how I see. I believe it's like that all the times too. And if you see this way, it's really beautiful. A little bit like an uphill. It's hard, but it's also same time because of the trees next to this trail. You can feel that fresh air coming, so that balance. But make sure you spray that mosquito spray, so then you won't get bite. It's even in afternoon time, the mosquitoes are really strong. It's less chance compared to evening, but still, it just, for me, it takes few days to go away. So I just want to warn you guys, if you ever come, don't forget to bring that. Also, it's exciting thing here, that sign says, I can see is an alligator, but let's see what it says actual in this sign. It says, be aware of alligator, please do not feed the wildlife, 500 fine. So if you don't have 500, and if you don't wanna pay involved with this, better follow this sign. Okay guys, this is so pretty. You can see in my camera, I know it's not the best one, it's also super hot. Hope you can see clearly. If not, I can always come next time and do it again for you guys. This is how it looks like. I believe it's like have to go from this spot and come around, so it's gonna be a long walk. You guys, before you come, you guys can make sure you have I guess energy, eat enough or something like that. so then you are good to walk. It's just a long walk. I love to walk. I never get tired, so I'm fine. There is a small lake. I don't know if you can see. Hope you guys are doing well. There is a, I don't know what kind of flower. It's just the flower. Looks pretty. And this side it looks like this, and back side just came from this pot. Maybe you can hear some kind of bird. I can figure out which bird, but there is a little pond if you wanna see. Pond looks sage green. Haven't seen anything in the pond right now. Looks like I can figure out like what kind of bird, but like if you look straight to my finger, I know their bird mouth is red. I can see red, and it's also moving. So I'm a little bit far. I can't go near because of this bushes, but that's pretty much I see. And something just like jumped there, but I can't figure out what's that. So this is what it looks like, guys. Soon you guys will see over there, but have to walk all this way. You have to pass the test to be over there, okay? I think among all the parks, I like it. One of the parks, it's called Robinson Preserve. Um, that's really beautiful too. And this is like a different kind of beautiful and a long walk. Those two, I mean, these two are really nice. Others are like pretty, but it's very short walk. I guess it's okay. And you see like so much people. Maybe because of during the daytime. Of course, everybody have to work, and it's on a weekdays, so you don't see people. Let's see here what you can see. Oh wow, so it seems like you see in this park eagles, vultures. Wow, so these all birds. If you guys are lucky, you will see today. Oh, I guess you can drive through here. Be aware of alligator again. Smells something weird. Of some kind of animals, you know. Or whatever. I know it's safe. I don't know if my camera catches, but the rabbit, it was all the way down there and it just went across the road. I'm not sure what will happen, like if alligators comes out in the street. I believe not, but I see in some of the videos, you know, the internet just coming out and then scares people. Hopefully they won't come out because I know they like very hot and they will be hiding in the bushes like this. So far I have seen only 2 people. One people was on bicycle heading this way, and finally just see another person coming towards this way. And here it's a bird, looks like a crow, but let's see. Ooh. Oh, I was going to take a short video, but like flew so fast. Wow, it's super hot. Hey, the Spanish marsh. If you guys haven't seen and you guys are not from here, you can see this is how it looks like, Spanish marsh. Also, I don't know, people says these are the fertilizer, you know, like if you plant things and then if you put this, it helps grow. But I do not have experience. I like it, they have a fence here. That way, you know, if you guys see alligator, won't come right away. Unless they know how to jump. Mostly you can see bushes now. Oh, there is a deer. Guys, there is a deer, guys. Can you see over there? It's unreal. You can actually see a deer. If you look straight to my hand, like finger, deer is there minding own business. Hopefully he won't be scared. I know one time I went to the one of the biggest park. It's not over here, it's somewhere else, and I saw so many deers, and one deer was a baby deer, and something happened to his leg, and I was only going to take a video, but of course they get scared, you know. And I went slowly and tried to take pictures and see what happened to that deer, so then I can like fix the problem. But oh my god, that deer got so scared and ran with only 3 legs. I felt so bad, and I tried not to even like look that side, and I left alone. And I saw like a lot of turkeys, like 4 or 5 turkeys were fighting, and I may have that actually that video. I might post. That's actually so cool. There is a deer, so that means you might see. I feel like there is an alligator. Trying to look. Hold on. Is that an alligator over there straight? It's lots of bushes, so it's. Looks like a rabbit or something over there, the white thing, but I don't see it's moving. I can't tell. I'm only checking. Hopefully you guys can see on my video. Straight to my finger. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me zoom so that you guys can maybe see deer. It's really hard and hard to, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, right? Right there, yeah, you can see deer now. Wow, so beautiful. Leave him alone now, might be scared. It must be a scary time for them all the time, you know, people like walk in, and whenever people walk in and watch them, they might get scared. Oh wow, this is a close view, guys. Dear, looking at my camera. Wanna say hi to you guys. Oh dear. Looks like that's a baby deer. I don't know what kind of grass is there, but the green one looks really beautiful. Guys, if you love nature, you should come here and distract your mind with these deers, vultures, and In alligator, maybe I do not wish to see alligator like this, but if it's inside the water, that's fine. There is only one deer, must be like a few because he might have friends. Let me see if I see something in this side. By deer. Wow, that's crazy. Now I start to see more people. Oh, this is a dragonfly. Oh my goodness. Hope you can see in my camera. I am very close. I'm gonna have to speak low so that it won't get scared. That's the first dragonfly, so friendly, was able to catch in my camera. Pretty huge lake. Before I saw very tiny, but now I can see huge lake because of sun. Very hot and sunny. The lake is sunny. I want to see how vulture. Hopefully, I will get chance to show you, and maybe rabbit. Saw one before, but was so like he was just super fast. I don't think it my camera catch the rabbit. if you guys get tired and if you wanna rest, there is a table and chairs. You can go ahead and rest, have some snacks maybe. Let's see what's in here. Oh, so this is a big deal here. So this is a American alligator, and I think this is the one that's in here, this park. Hopefully if somewhere here, then you guys get chance to see. Also, let's see what's that sign says. Already saw the deer. So it says keep them healthy and wild, please don't feed the wildlife. Okay, so of course you saw the alligator and this bird, and you can even see a raccoon. Wow, so here you can see of course bird you will see, but also you will see a raccoon. This is a heart, lovely leaf, heart shape in here. Wow, this Spanish moss is covered all this fence. Looks pretty cool, unique design. Mostly if you see alligator will be somewhere there, because last time saw alligator just like that. Ooh. Spanish moss all over. If you see on the other side, so many trees in a row. Wow, guys, there is actually alligator floating. Let me zoom if you guys can see. See that black thing? Black thing floating? Yep. I think that's an alligator. Wow. Yep, that thing is an alligator. It's not clear. Sorry, I'm not able to show you clear view. I can only see with my eyes, like in person clearly than in camera. But there is an alligator swimming. Yeah, it's in a different direction now. I can see it's moving. So if you guys can see from this distance up to there, that's an alligator. Wow, guys. And look at this Spanish moss. And I don't know what kind of trees. Oh, that's a Spanish moss too. That. Yeah, that's an alligator. looks like an alligator, maybe like laying down there, you know, right there, having some cold water. Maybe not the coldest one, but better than outside. Maybe to lay down, but it's not moving that much. It's fresh air over here. Whoever don't want to walk, they can come with the bicycle. Even I saw some people in a vehicle stay on the. Okay, so one of the sign was warning you stay on the trailer, don't go this inside the bushes. Pretty cool so far. Saw deer, rabbit, bird, and what else I can't remember. Alligator. So here is a two-part. Okay. So there is a two-part. This one